Hello friends, I am Dr. Vandana Mundase from Bhandara. I am discussing today with you National Policy of Education 2019 and challenges in higher education. Now let us throw a light on the features of National Policy of Education 2019. There are three types of universities that are recommended by the National Policy of Education Committee, that are research universities, teaching universities and autonomous degree granting universities. The committee also offers the autonomy to all higher education institutions and governance of higher education institutions by dependent boards with complete academic and competitive administrative autonomy. National Research Forum should be established, and Rashtriya Shiksha Ayog on state level as well as on national level should be established. And the challenges of our varied range of high skillful curriculum with respect to different faculties and streams. Development of curricula or syllabi to attract the learners means the curriculum should be developed and syllabus should be framed out in such a manner that it should attract the learners. Updating on regular basis the syllabus or the curriculum which has been framed out, that should be updated on regular basis, that will meet the needs of the learner as well as society from time to time. Now the further challenges of in higher education with respect to National Policy of Education are appointment of qualified faculty, and this laying down norms of the qualification, building physical infrastructure in the institution, higher education institutions such as laboratory building and library etc. Financial boost up, that should be very essential, or that is very immense importance. Then timely implementation of the examination system, that should be guaranteed and reliable also, and maintenance of the international standards so that other university students are attracted to the India. And so from my viewpoint, so these are the challenges which has been implemented or which has been put forward by the National Policy of Education 2019. And thank you very much for listening this piece of PPT and my views. Thank you once again.